6 Incredible Health Benefits of Garlic. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most versatile and nutritious ingredients in any kitchen, garlic. You may be wondering, why is garlic so good for my health? Well, in this video, we're going to explore the science behind this pungent little bulb and delve into all the ways that it can benefit your body. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top reasons why garlic is good for your health. Reason number 1, garlic is packed with nutrients. One of the reasons that garlic is so good for your health is that it's packed with nutrients. A single clove of garlic contains a wealth of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, selenium, and even a small amount of protein. But the real superstar in garlic is a compound called allicin. This powerful antioxidant is responsible for many of garlic's health benefits, and it's formed when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a potent ally for maintaining good health. In addition to allicin, garlic also contains other compounds that are believed to have health-promoting effects, including sulfur compounds, flavonoids, and polyphenols. These compounds may help to support the immune system, reduce inflammation, and protect against oxidative stress. Overall, garlic is a nutrient-dense food that is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a valuable addition to any healthy diet. Reason number 2, garlic can lower blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Fortunately, garlic has been shown to be effective at lowering blood pressure in people with hypertension. One study found that taking a garlic supplement reduced blood pressure by an average of 7 mm of mercury in people with high blood pressure. Another study found that consuming a daily dose of aged garlic extract is just as effective at reducing blood pressure as the drug atenolol. Reason number 3, garlic can improve cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is another major risk factor for heart disease. Garlic has been shown to be effective at reducing total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol levels in people with high cholesterol. One study found that consuming a garlic supplement reduced total cholesterol by an average of 12% and LDL cholesterol by an average of 17%. Another study found that consuming aged garlic extract significantly reduced LDL cholesterol levels in people with high cholesterol. Reason number 4, garlic can boost the immune system. Garlic is known for its powerful antiviral and antibacterial properties, making it a great ally for boosting the immune system. One study found that people who took a garlic supplement were less likely to catch a cold than those who took a placebo. In addition to its antiviral properties, garlic has also been shown to have antibacterial effects. One study found that garlic was effective at killing several strains of bacteria, including E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Reason number 5, garlic may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder that causes memory loss and cognitive decline. While there is currently no cure for Alzheimer's disease, research suggests that garlic may help to prevent it. One study found that people who consumed higher amounts of garlic had a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Another study found that a compound found in garlic called diallyl disulfide was effective at reducing the accumulation of amyloid beta, a protein that is believed to play a role in the development of Alzheimer's disease. Reason number 6, garlic may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. There is some evidence to suggest that garlic may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast cancer, prostate cancer, and colon cancer. One study found that people who consumed higher amounts of garlic had a lower risk of developing colon cancer. Another study found that a compound found in garlic called diallyl disulfide was effective at killing breast cancer cells in the laboratory. Conclusion. As you can see, garlic is a powerful and nutritious ingredient that can have numerous health benefits. Whether you're looking to lower your blood pressure, improve your cholesterol levels, boost your immune system, or reduce your risk of certain diseases, garlic is definitely worth adding to your diet. So, don't be afraid to add a little extra garlic to your next meal. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. And remember, sharing is caring. So don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Happy New Year, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.